I've got one more of the Disney Doorables Let's Go road trip vehicle until I can find some more. This one is box A063. Here are my top 6, and I know my top 6 will probably be different than yours, but that's okay because you know what? They're all so cute. Alright, let's see whoever's in this one can make my top 6. And I know who this is. Let's open up the Doorable. And it's cute. Little Miss Cinderella with those super cute glasses. Now, she does not make my top 6, but I really think she's still super cute.